When that happens, we are going to be ready for it. You guys bring me the pictures, you bring me the stories, and I'll take care of the newspaper war. If we hit it with everything we've got every day, how long do you think it's going to be before the sun rules the city?
Nevermore.
What did you say?
Nevermore.
Quoth the parrot, nevermore. It'll never work.
Nevermore.
Is anybody positive anymore? You know, I'd love to stay and chat with you, bird, but I'm busy plotting the downfall of my competition. Where was I? Here, take this thing, Lee.
Oh, no.
The more personal, the better. You know, affairs, addictions, embarrassments, whatever. You get 2 reporters on it, Briggs. Keep them on it permanently.
And yet another display of principled journalism.
All right, that's enough. Everybody go away.
Todd, when are we going to discuss vacations for the staff?
Nevermore.
So, I'm a born publisher.
And what about the bird?
What about it?
Well, he's obviously valuable and lost. Shouldn't we check with the classified, call the local TV news, check with the police?
Let's see if somebody filed a missing parrot report.
Yeah, something like that. I mean, somebody must be looking for him.
On the lamb. Feed the bird. Feed the bird. Feed the bird.
What do you think I'm trying to do? I got everything here. I got candy bars, I got cold pizza, I got marshmallows. At least you're straightforward with me. I like that in a bird. At least you hear the way everybody talks to me. Todd, you're the greatest. Todd, have I got a deal for you? Oh, Todd, I love you. I know what they're really thinking.
Feed the bird.
Exactly. Now, come on, what is it that you want, huh? Here. 8 billion birds in the world. I get the one with an eating disorder. So what's this, some kind of a chicken nugget thing? Here, try it. Come on. Come on, take it. It's just chicken. Take it. Oh, I get it. You know, you're never going to get anywhere in this town. You don't learn to eat your own kind. You got to learn to adjust or adapt or you die. You go along, you just keep going. Try and be this square peg. Fit in a round hole. You're going to wind up screwed up. Don't you come crying on my shoulder. That happens to you. What is it that you want?
Lamb shots.
Yeah, you be careful of that, right? You stay away from my bomb stuff.
Lamb shots.
See, this what we have here is a little piece of history. Bomb making 101.
Oh.
Oh, no, I didn't bring anything in the house that goes kaboom. See, I don't want any of that telltale chemical residue.
What's that bird up to?
He hasn't eaten in a while, and he's trying to figure out what food group you are. Yeah, sicker.
You're sick. Back off. Back.
Sicker.
Grow up.
Cement shoes.
I have a feeling this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.